Are you tired of staring at your bank account in disbelief, wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. Budgeting can be a real headache, especially when you're living in the UK with its unique financial landscape. And if you've heard about Goodbudget, you might be wondering if it's the magic solution you've been searching for. Let's dive in and find out. First off, what exactly is Goodbudget? It's a budgeting app that uses the envelope system. Think of it like having digital envelopes for your money. You allocate funds to different envelopes, each representing a spending category. It's a simple concept, but it can be incredibly effective. But does this American-born app actually work for us Brits? Well, the good news is, Goodbudget is available in the UK. That's a big tick in its favor. But just because it's available doesn't mean it's perfect for our financial lives. Let's talk about currency. Goodbudget was originally designed for US dollars. While it does support multiple currencies, including pound sterling, there might be a few quirks you need to be aware of. For instance, how does it handle things like pence? Does it round up or down? Small things, but they can make a big difference when you're trying to stick to a budget. Then there's the matter of our banking system. The UK has a different financial infrastructure compared to the US. Does Goodbudget integrate well with our banks? Can you easily import transactions? How about those pesky standing orders and direct debits? These are all things we need to consider. And let's not forget about our spending habits. We Brits have our own unique ways of spending money. From weekly shops to pub lunches, our financial behavior might not perfectly align with a budgeting app designed with American consumers in mind. But don't get me wrong, Goodbudget has a lot going for it. The envelope system is a tried and tested method, and the app offers a clean, user-friendly interface. Plus, there's a strong community of users who can offer support and advice. So, does Goodbudget work in the UK? The short answer is, it can. But like any budgeting tool, it requires some adaptation. You might need to tweak your approach, find workarounds, or even combine Goodbudget with other financial management tools. The key to successful budgeting is finding a system that works for you. Goodbudget could be a great starting point, but it's essential to do your research and experiment to find the best solution for your financial situation. One thing's for sure, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. So, don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep at it, and you'll eventually find a system that helps you take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.